Now another topic is malnutrition. What do you mean by malnutrition? Malnutrition is that when a person does not get sufficient amount of nutrients in his diet, that is called malnutrition. For example, if you suppose there is less nutrients in like carbohydrates, fats in his diet, then the person is suffer from malnutrition. Malnutrition means जब पोषक तत्वों की कमी हो जाए उसको बोलते हैं malnutrition. Suppose in children become weak, lean, thin, their skin is scaly. So that are the some symptoms that is showing that the particular child is having malnutrition. Okay. Next is disease. What is disease? Disease are those when a person is infected by certain germs. That is called disease. There are two types of disease: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease are those that when a infected person get spread his disease to a healthy person. That is communicable disease. There are some pathogens or germs that is transfer his symptoms. First is by bacteria. That is बाय बैक्टीरिया से कौन कौन सी बीमारियां होती है? टीबी, दैट मीन्स ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, टाइफाइड, कोलेरा. दीज आर थ्री नेम ऑफ द डिजीज दैट इज स्प्रेड बाय बैक्टीरिया. बैक्टीरिया इज अ टाइप ऑफ जर्म्स. Next is by protozoa. These are some small microorganisms. You can say these are the microorganisms. Microorganisms are those organisms which are very small and that we cannot see by our naked eye. So they can spread the disease by bacteria, tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera. By protozoa, malaria. As you know, malaria is spread by Anopheles mosquito. Next is by fungi, ringworm, and by virus, swine flu and cold. These are the some name of the disease that, and these are the pathogens through which the person get infected or get infected from one person to another. These are the communicable disease. Clear? Next is non-communicable disease. Non-communicable diseases are heart disease. It is spread by non-communicable diseases are those which cannot spread from a healthy from an infected person to a healthy person through direct contact. It is spread by taking unnecessary diet. Like first is heart disease. Heart disease can be infected by taking excess amount of fats. Next is diabetes. Diabetes can be diabetes can be spread by taking excess amount of sugar, and cancer is by intake of excess amount of smoking. So these are non-communicable disease. Clear? Another topic is deficiency disease. What are deficiency disease? When a person cannot get necessary nutrients in his diet, that is called deficiency. Means सब कुछ कमी के कारण जो डिजीज होती है उनको बोलते हैं डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. फॉर एग्जांपल विटामिन सी. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, विटामिन सी वी गेट the nutrients from citrus fruits. If you don't take the citrus fruits, then you get a disease known as scurvy. It is due to the lack of vitamin C. विटामिन सी की कमी के कारण जो बीमारी होती है उसको स्कर्वी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज विटामिन ए. इफ यू टेक एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ carrots, milk, spinach, as I told you, these are the sources of vitamin A. If you cannot take these components in proper amount, then you suffer night blindness. आपको दिखाई देना कम हो जाएगा. So if you take excess amount of vitamin A, then night blindness does not occur. So what is the deficiency disease of vitamin A? Night blindness. Next is vitamin D. As I told you, sunlight is the major source of vitamin D. Another than paneer, milk. Then if you not taking proper amount of sunlight, all these necessary nutrients, then you suffer rickets. So vitamin D की कमी के कारण कौन सी बीमारी होती है? Rickets. There are two mineral deficient disease also. Iron is used in making hemoglobin, blood. If you are not taking iron rich diet, then you suffer a disease known as anemia. जो खून की कमी उसको बोलते हैं anemia. Another is iodine. Iodine is also a mineral. It is taking by right amount of salt. जो हम salt खाते हैं उससे आयोडीन मिलता है, या सी फूड जो खाते हैं. ठीक है. सो आयोडीन अगर आप प्रॉपर अमाउंट में नहीं लेंगे तो एक डिजीज होगी ग्वाइटर. व्हाट इज ग्वाइटर? ग्वाइटर में क्या होगा? आपकी नेक स्वेलो होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ आयोडीन। आपकी नेक स्वेलन हो जाएगी, फूलने लगेगी बिल्कुल। सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स। सिम्टम्स क्या होंगे कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि वेदर पर्टिकुलर डिजीज इज हैपनिंग और नॉट, तो देयर आर सम सिम्टम्स। सो गॉइटर स्वेलन नेक के कारण होती है। आई होप द कंटेंट विल क्लियर टू यू। थैंक यू।